Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about different modeling approaches in sheet metal. First method is design from flat. Second method is flange method, and third method is insert bend, and fourth method is convert to sheet metal. So let's start now. So I've taken the base flange. Here I can create one sketch here. Select the sketch and go to sketch pen and select the flat surface. So this is how it is going to be. So in this approach we have simple flat sheet and we are going to create bends from the sheet. See, I am creating one more bend from the flat sheet. So this is the first method, design from the flat. Second method is flange method. So just simply creating base flange and creating edge flanges. So this method is most frequently used for designing in sheet metal. This is the most common method. So next method is insert bend. So insert bend, we will take solid block that is in solid modeling and we have to create a shell and thickness as 2 mm. Then we have to create rip. So the corners are divided now. Next we have to apply insert bend. And say OK. See it now, it is converted into sheet metal. So this is how it converts. See here we can see the features. The initial 3 features are in solid modeling, and when it is insert bend is applied, automatically it converts to sheet metal component. So this is third method. Now next method is convert to sheet metal approach. So here also we'll take the simple block in solid modeling, then we have to select convert to sheet metal option. So we have to select this face. So for better understanding, I will select bottom face. Okay. So next we have to select the bends. So which edge I want to take it as bend. So this edge, save. So this is also converted into sheet metal. So this is one more approach. So these are the 4 different approaches, but most frequently used approach is flange method, and design from flat is mostly used for artwork. Insert, bend and convert to sheet metal we rarely use, but when we convert in solid part to sheet metal part, then only we will use these 2 options. So these are the 4 approaches for designing sheet metal. Thank you very much.